Hey folks, Benno here. Yeah, it's been a big day. My sister brought me a car and she said it was really vibrating, looks like something's broken. And said, can I have a look at it? Say, yeah, okay, I had a look at it all day. Uni joints on a Subaru is an interesting prospect. The hardest part about it is actually getting the joints, because according to Subaru, they're not a serviceable part. Yeah, well, if you've got a 2006 Subaru, Hardy Spicer, make a joint. It's number start again, RUJ-504. So hopefully you'll be able to see that. So if you've got a Subaru and you've done the uni joints, don't spend the $800 on a new joint or $400 on a second-hand one. You spend $175 for two of them. Bit of labour and the job's done. So much for staked joints, eh? Alright,